Here's to the people who shaped our industry, to the few who saw automotive mobility not as a challenge, but as an opportunity to make a difference. These people achieved the unachievable, believed the unbelievable, and made the impossible possible. We stand on their shoulders to introduce our high-performance polyamide For Tii Ace MX53T, a revolutionary new material that takes the stress out of designing vehicles and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Unlike other commercially available PPAs, For Tii Ace MX53T delivers its high performance at a very wide temperature range. You can be sure For Tii Ace MX53T will improve the mechanical and chemical properties of different structures and parts every time. How do we know? Because we've tested it over and over again in both laboratories and in real-world conditions, when integrated into parts and on its own, at different temperatures and at different moisture levels. Every time, For Tii Ace MX53T delivers excellent performance that makes a difference. And because we created this material to make a difference, we also made it easy to handle. Forget the need for special equipment and special processes. We want to help you do what you do best. Together, we'll reshape our industry again.